Happy day, students. Let us learn chapter 4 in social studies, our environment. Everything we find around us is our environment. ನಾವು ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ನೋಡುವಂತ ವಸ್ತುಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Environment. The environment means to encircle or surround. The earth is a home of living and non-living things. ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಜೀವ ಇರೋ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಇರುತ್ತವೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜೀವ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಇರುತ್ತವೆ. ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ which has life in it. Non-living things means which does not have life. Living things includes human beings, animals, and plants. Non-living things include air, water, buildings, soil, etc. Natural resources. Things that are provided by nature and that are useful to us are called natural resources. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಡುವಂತ ವಸ್ತುಗಳಿಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ನಮಗೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ವಾಟರ್, ಏರ್, ಸಾಯಿಲ್, petroleum and coal. Types of pollution. Let us see how many types of pollutions we have. We have 4 types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, noise pollution. Now let us study in brief. Air pollution. The condition in which air contains gases, dust, smoke in harmful amount is called air pollution. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ harmful things ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಅದು air pollution ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Causes of air pollution. Air pollution ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Causes for air pollution: burning of fuels in vehicles, smoke from factories, industries, etc., forest fire, bursting of crackers. This all causes air pollution. The diseases caused by air pollutions are asthma, allergies, lung cancer, eye problems. Water pollution. When dirty and harmful things are thrown in sea, water or fresh water, then water gets polluted. It is called water pollution. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಗಲೀಜಾಗಿರೋ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ವಾಟರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನ ಕಾಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Causes of water pollution: throwing garbage in the rivers or ponds, dirty sewage from cities and towns flow directly into rivers, making the water dirty and unfit to consume. Sewage andre charandigalu. People pollute water by bathing and washing their clothes, utensils and by cleaning their domestic animals. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿರಬಹುದು, ಜನಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ನೀರಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ತೊಳಿತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಸಾಕುವಂತ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಆ ನೀರಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ವಾಟರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನ ಕಾಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Ships spill oil. Sometimes ships spill harmful oil into water which traveling on seas and oceans. The diseases caused by water pollutions are cholera, jaundice, thyroid, many skin allergies. Land pollution. The waste thrown human activities on the earth's surface of earth is called ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕಸ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ತಿವಲ್ವಾ, ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನ ಹಾರ್ಮ್ಫುಲ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಕಾಸಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. Causes of land pollution: use of harmful chemicals and fertilizers by farmers. Factories dump their wastes on land. Throwing household garbage into open. Use of plastic bags and packing materials are the main cause of land pollution. ನಾವು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಇಂದಾನೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗೋದು. Harmful effects of land pollution: disease in plant, fruits, etc. Underground water polluted, soil becomes barren. Noise pollution: sound which is not pleasant to our ears is called noise. An extreme loud noise that affects one's hearings and comfort level is called noise pollution. Causes of noise pollution: noise from horn of vehicles, big machineries, loudspeakers during functions and parties. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬಹುದು, ಗಣೇಶ ಕೂರ್ಸೋವಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ನ ಹಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Bursting crackers listening to television on high volume. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಪಟಾಕಿಗಳು ಹೊಡಿತೀರಲ್ವಾ ಹಬ್ಬಕ್ಕೆ, ಅವಾಗ ನಾಯ್ಸ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ಜೊತೆ ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ನಾಟ್ burst the crackers. Harmful effects of noise pollution: ನಾಯ್ಸ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೆಡ್ಏಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಇಯರಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್, difficult to concentrate. How to save the environment: do not waste paper because it is made up of trees. Plant more trees, they are very useful and keep the air clean. We should throw the litter or garbage into the dustbins. Say no to firecrackers, which causes air and noise pollution. We should stop using plastic bags. Instead, we can use jute or cloth bags. We should stop wasting water as it is very precious. Listen to music on low volume. We should also make people aware around us about the harmful effects of pollution. Let us have a quick recap. Everything we find around us is our environment. It includes living things and non-living things. Natural resources: the things provided to us by nature. Example, air, water, soil, etc. Types of pollution: there are 4 types of pollution. Air pollution, the condition in which air contains gases, dust, smoke in harmful amount. Causes for air pollution: burning of fuel, smoke from vehicles, bursting crackers, forest fire. Effects of air pollution: it causes asthma, allergies, lung cancer. Water pollution: when dirty and harmful things are thrown in seawater or fresh water, then water gets polluted. Causes for water pollution: throwing garbage, sewage flow into the water directly, people pollute by bathing, washing, etc. Sometimes ships spill harmful waste or oil. Effects of water pollution: it causes cholera, jaundice, typhoid, etc. Land pollution: the waste thrown human activities on the earth's surface. Causes for land pollution: use of harmful chemicals, throwing household garbage, use of plastic. Effects of Land pollution. The chemical in the fertilizers causes diseases in crops of fruits and vegetables. Noise pollution. Sound which is not pleasant to our ears is called noise. That affects one's hearing and comfort levels. Causes for noise pollution: noise from horn of vehicles, big machineries, loudspeakers. Effects of noise pollution: it causes headache, damage our hearing system. Now we have to save our environment from getting polluted. So steps to be taken to save our environment. Do not waste paper because it is made up of trees. Plant more trees so that we get fresh and clean air. Stop using plastic bags. Instead use jute bags. Stop wasting water. We must not waste more water. Listen to music on low volume. Thank you, students.